Assalamu alaikum guys, hi everyone, how are you? It's me Farooq Khan, you are watching T&tech support. Today I'm going to show you how to install and call the application. That application name is Go and Chat. This application by Etisalat. This is nice application, new, and you can call your home and any country, every country you can call. Example Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal. You can call anywhere clearly, and you can chat also. There you can play the game also, and this is a really cool application. So I hope you will install this application and enjoy. So let's start my video. So guys, after coming mobile screen, then you have to open Play Store. After open Play Store, you have to simply write Go Chat Messenger. So here you can see the application. This application you can search on Play Store, and I will provide the link on description. Please find out there. So this application I will open first. So here you can see the Go Chat Messenger video calls by Etisalat UAE. So from Etisalat in Dubai or UAE, they create this application, and this is application legally. So first we have to install this application. So I will click on install. Then here you can see this application is installing. So here you can see the something enjoy free secure HD calls. This one will be, you can call very clearly HD call. So this is the application. So I'll go back. So it's installing. So guys, you can see the application is already installed. So I will click open. This look like this application. So now I will get start. Click on here. Then here you have to provide your mobile number. So I will put my number. After click OK, next, then send SMS. So here you can see 748671. So here you have to put your name. I will put my channel name. So I put here OK, done. Okay, so here you can put example anything, the status about. So here you can put your picture, gallery. Okay. Okay, save. Done. So then after click next, then allow your find your friends. So I will allow. So here you can see already the smile get sent. Just skip this one. Okay, see this is the interface of this application. So here you can see there is calls, chat, calls, go. Here you can play the games. There is option many, the new updates it will be show here. Okay, so here you can see the three dot, click here, then you can change your details. Okay, it's look like same like WhatsApp, same like WhatsApp, but you can call this one also. So example, if I want to call someone, so I have to click any plus. Then here you can create a group. You can broadcast list, you can do also. So I will click here. If I'm my friend, I will search. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family.